Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to add background image only for first page or cover page in a PDF file using PDF element. Open your PDF file. I'll insert background image only this first page. Select edit option. Now select background option and select add background and select your file option and click this three dot option and insert your background image. Insert this one and select open, and this is absolute scale. Also you can make it proportion of page. See this, I'll change proportion and also I'll increase, I'll make it 120 and in this size, and change opacity if you need, and finally select this custom option and type here 1 and simply select apply, and see this our background image now inserted only for first page and other page remains same, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.